So how does it feel to be turned into the wolf right now?
Not a wolf so much. Ah, it hurts.
Yeah, I've heard that. There hasn't been a wolf around here in a long time.
Does it hurt being a vampire?
Death was painful. Living death is fine. Drinking blood is cool. Warms the space where my soul used to be, you know? You asked why I'm in the foster home. I want to tell you now why you turned. It's because I haven't been the way that I am now for very long either. This way. No one usually comes down this road, but just in case we should hide in the woods.